Hello and welcome. This video provides a guide for the Greengates P-loop junction which you might encounter during your test. When traveling along the Greengates route, the usual practice is to take a right at the Eccleshill Dental Clinic on Harrogate Road, heading towards Ruswarp Crescent. Not making this turn will lead you to navigate through the Greengates P-loop junction. This is the sign for the P-loop junction. You need to travel towards Leeds. Previously you could simply turn right at the traffic light. On the new P-loop, at the traffic light, go straight and then follow right in the shape of letter P. Here is the animated preview for the right turn to Leeds. Do not indicate right at this traffic light. I hope you find this video useful. Please support me by subscribing to my channel.